Nothing. Nothing.
I'm close. It's getting closer. That's a lie. It's getting farther.
Don't mind me. Don't mind me. Don't mind me, okay? Oh, you. Oh.
Am I? I don't know. I don't know what's happening.
What the post is.
That's not right. Oh wait, yeah, it is. It's so close. This is fine.
Maybe you can get one side. Bro.
It's just getting worse. It's getting better. I don't know what to do anymore.
Don't mind me, bro. Oh. Bro, you messed up that red. I'm about to post this just casually. I'm about to post
Messing it up more, man.
I'm about to post this on my YouTube channel and see what happens.
You're gonna go viral, guys.
You be a superstar.
Oh, I just got a
Well, you're the boogeyman after all.
So am I the boogeyman? What did I do? Oh, I got this.
You don't remember?
No.
You don't remember? I brought. You said you want to join the gang. You said yes. And I picked, and you were the boogeyman. I'm gonna put this boogeyman try his best to solve Rubik's Cube.
Look at that.
How long will we be recording? I don't know.
I'm just gonna go with this. You might want to stop recording because I'm never gonna get this finished. Probably just gonna give it to Nico.